You wake up. Before you even get out of bed, your hand reaches for your phone. Instagram, TikTok, emails, news. You haven't brushed your teeth, but your brain is already overstimulated. You're supposed to work, but your mind feels scattered. You open your laptop to send an email and end up scrolling YouTube. You try to focus, but the moment you start, your thoughts hijack you. And the most dangerous part, you're starting to think this is normal, but it's not. This is not how a focused human mind is meant to operate. If you can't control your attention, you can't control your life. Focus is no longer just a productivity tool, it's a survival skill. In a world that profits from your distraction, staying focused has become an act of rebellion. And yet, millions of people walk through life unable to concentrate, stuck in a cycle of procrastination, self-blame, and digital chaos. But here's the truth. You are not broken, your brain is not lazy, you're simply living in an environment that is hijacking your mind every minute of every day. The question is not, why can't I focus? The question is, how can anyone focus in a world designed to steal your attention? Let's break it down, and more importantly, let's fix it. We are living through the greatest attention crisis in human history. Your phone pings, your watch vibrates, your apps refresh. Every notification is a grenade thrown at your attention span. The average human now switches tasks every 47 seconds. That's not multitasking. That's mental fragmentation. And over time, it damages more than your to-do list. It erodes your creativity, your sense of control, even your confidence. But most people don't even realize what's happening to them. They blame themselves instead of the systems designed to trap them. You don't need more motivation. You need a strategy. Modern life floods your brain with dopamine from morning to night. Social media, short videos, fast content. Your brain gets addicted to novelty and loses patience for depth. Every time you jump from one task to another, your brain burns extra energy. It needs time to reload. That's why it takes 20 minutes to fully return to a task after being interrupted. If your goals aren't specific, your brain treats them like threats. Ambiguity creates anxiety, and anxiety crushes focus. Thoughts, worries, unresolved emotions, they don't go away. They wait in the background until you try to concentrate. Then they surface and sabotage you. You can rebuild your focus, not by forcing your brain to work harder, but by creating an environment and a mindset where focus becomes effortless. Start by changing your environment. Turn off notifications. Put your phone in another room. Set up your space so that focus becomes automatic. Try time blocks. Work for 25 minutes, rest for 5. Your brain learns to stay sharp in short, focused sprints. Make your goals clear and measurable. Work on the project is vague. Write one page before lunch is specific and gives you direction. Practice mindfulness. When your mind drifts, gently bring it back. Even 5 minutes a day can build powerful awareness. Dump your thoughts in the morning. Write down everything that's on your mind before you begin. Free up your mental RAM. Take care of your body. Sleep well, eat clean, move daily. A tired brain can't stay focused. Schedule your distractions. Check social media on purpose, not by impulse. Don't let it bleed into your whole day. Do one thing at a time. Focus completely on one task. That's how flow state is built. You are not your distraction. You are the awareness behind your thoughts. And if you take back control of your focus, you take back control of your life. You are not your scattered attention. You are the awareness behind your thoughts. And focus is your greatest power. Those who master it take the wheel of their own lives. To focus is to master yourself. To focus is to master your time. Time brings direction, and direction lifts you out of the ordinary. This is not just about productivity, it's about who you are becoming, and that journey starts now.